Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to part 2 of the coloring book to storybook feature. We are going to start out with the coloring book feature. Okay. We are going to go into the AI Storybook Studio. Create a new story. I kind of got a little turned around. Sorry, guys. We're going to choose the AI character, and we're going to copy and paste in our script. Here's a script from DeepSeek that I use, and I did specify to make sure that it was a coloring book. I did read over the script completely to make sure it wasn't too many words on one page. I still think I could have edited a little bit more, but that's okay. Okay, we're going to put the script in and 3x4 for your size. Book details. Going to grab our title. And add your author, and we're going to generate. Okay, now we're going to see how long it's going to take us to have this generate. And for the sake of time, I just went ahead and let everything generate. So let's set up our flip book so that you can see the end product. I decided to just go back and use one of their pages instead of putting in my own information. So click on choose from library. I clicked the wrong one. I clicked the browse feature, which is not what I needed. I apologize, guys. I'm doing this video kind of late in the day, so I'm a bit exhausted, but I wanted to get it out today. Okay, so like I said, I clicked the wrong one, so my apologies. You can choose any page you would like within the story for your back page. And we're going to generate. Now we have come to the ending, so we're going to see how everything came out, okay? I'm going to show you the one from last week, the prank book that we did. I didn't get a chance to let you guys go over it or see it in its finished state, but I also want to tell you with KDP, when you download it, it will take 10 to 20 minutes for it to download. And you have to, I found mine in my documents section, not in my download section. And when you get it, it will download to a PDF. That PDF you should be able to upload directly to Amazon KDP. And according to Artistly, it should already be formatted for KDP. Now let's take a quick listen to the book, and I hope that I don't know if you can hear it. You probably can't. Okay, so here's the storybook in its completed state, and after I went over it, I realized that I didn't like it. I should have went over it to read it and edit it. I felt that it had too many words for the page, and the words on the page didn't match up to the illustration, which to me kind of threw the entire storybook off. My advice to you is to please read over the story like I did with the one I just recently created. When you upload this to KDP, if this is going to be your side hustle, you want to put out the best product possible. So make sure that you are reading these and editing as much as possible. And if you have to go in and change the illustrations, please do so. Change the illustrations if you can, just so that you can have a better product in the end, okay? So, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for all the comments that I received. And we're going to get more into the storybook and other ideas on how you can use the storybook to make money. But until then, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.